data stream go to FIFO. The FIFO used to buffer the data and the nearest CPU. And then finally, the data goes to the analog output, which is goes to the speaker. And then we use the Ultra API for the touch screen control. And we use some functions from this function. Here is just a list of some API functions we use. And here goes our software design flow. First, we have to initialize the whole system, which is the main loop of our software. And here we have set two functions. One is T0, which is used to reset the entire system. Another one is switch. I used to get the normal mode and repeat mode for our music player. And then the system will read the text card, and once the system gets the data from the SD card, we will have the system will wait for user for touch. And if user touch the start button, and the system will load the WAV file stored in the SD card, and then play in the music file. And using in play, we have some various functions. First, we have next sound button. If you press that, it goes to the next file. And if we press the volume up and volume down, the volume control, we have volume control to control the volume will goes up or goes down. And next, if we play stop, our music player will stop. And then if we play wait not press anything, the software just goes to the next file and then goes to the start. This is basically our flow. So the conclusion is we successfully implemented our music player, and there are two major parts of our project. One is the display. We use the LCD segment display and LED for various functions. The user control we implement first in the physical switch and key, and then we transfer it to the touch. And this is the teamwork plan for our project. Here, finally, we are the result screenshot, and we will have a physical demo for our project. Oh, okay. We have preloaded the program to the TPad. We formatted the 2 GB SD card as FAT16 format, and we have loaded SD card music files into the SD card, and we have the main menu of our music player. Here is some option for user. First, we have please insert the SD card is for user to get the storage files. And then we have a key 0, which is for reset, global reset. For this is reset is at this button. I'll tell me later for the global reset. And then we have a switch, which is used for normal mode and the repeat mode for our music player, which is this button. I will demo it later. So, if we press music, and we will get another menu. This is for our main menu. And here we have a proportion for please touch. If we touch start, that's currently not right. Yes, we got volume. And we also have a next button, which is used for to the next files stored in the SD card. And then we also can change the volume by repeating volume up menu, and if we want to volume down, we just continue press the volume down button, and here in the next button. Loud. Sorry, it's too loud. And if we want to next one. This is a short demo for our repeat mode. Right now it's a normal mode. If we switch to the repeat mode, and we will have not this one. After playing finish, and if we play again, See, you'll see, and we will continue to play this file. And if we switch the button next, after finish it, it will play next files. And then also the other side, the LEDs is for the music equalizer to show the music power from the high tone to the low tone. And also this is a 7-segment display. If we press the button here, it will show the current playing time of our MIDI file. And then once you finished, you can press the stop button to get stop the music playing, and then press exit to get the menu.
Good evening, friends. Me and my project partner Nima, our project topic is video mixer. In this, we basically have a DVD input and another input is from the camera. Both of these videos will get mixed in the video mixer. And this is the DVD input, and the other input comes from the camera. And the touch interface in our project is this: we can touch the image around the screen, and we even added some additional features of zooming in, zooming out, and even on and off. If we want, there should be no video mixing, only the DVD video will be shown. The hardware of our project, it involves DVD input, which can be either PAL or NTSC. It goes into a clock video input. It goes to the clock video input. Then it goes to color plane sequencer, in which color plane samples are transmitted across the Avalon stream. The de-interlacer basically converts the analog input into the pixels. It is stored in the frame. The images are stored in the frame buffer through the frame buffer and the external RAM. Then it goes into the chroma resampler to adjust the brightness and the tone of the image. The color space converter converts the color space between the video to be transmitted across the across the D-pad screen. The scaler resizes the DVD input, and the clipper again clips the DVD input. The other one is the RGB, which is coming from the camera. It goes to the frame buffer, and then the color plane sequencer. Then it is clipped and scaled. Both of them goes to the alpha blender, where they get mixed. Then it goes to the control signal synchronizer, which synchronizes any change happening in either of the video streams. And it is stored via the frame buffer. It goes to the color plane sequencer.